Hello ShoppersNet viewers, welcome. In this video we'll be showing you the Oster Duraceramic Flip Waffle Maker. We've been shopping for a waffle maker and we wanted one that is non-stick, but at the same time we didn't want to use any sprays or butter. And this one uses a ceramic surface and they claim it's 8 times more durable, won't flake or peel, it's non-stick and easy to clean and doesn't have any PTFE or PFOA coatings. So if you're looking for a healthy solution to making waffles, this could be it. It's also scratch resistant. It says scratches less than standard non-stick. So let's open it up and see what's included. As we open up, we see a coupon book. Looks like Oyster bundles some coupons in their package. In addition, we get to the user's manual for the Oster Flip Waffle Maker. And let's see what's in here. They have recipes, so this is probably what you should read to figure out how many and what ingredients you need to make your waffles. Definitely a valuable resource here. Next, let's actually take the waffle maker out. Here's the power cord and lots of styrofoam. Let me see if I can take this piece out. Looks like this is a plate to hold our waffles. That's great. And I'll have to slide the styrofoam out right here. And there is the waffle maker, protected very well with styrofoam. Remove the top piece and we see the waffle maker. Let me lift this thing out and I will remove the plastic and give you a better view of the waffle maker. Our plan is to do a demo as we make a waffle and show you how easy it is to make waffles using this Oster Duraceramic waffle maker. And here is the power cord, and it is 2-prong, standard US style 2-prong plug. And let me remove the plastic here. You can see we lift the ceramic piece, top piece up, and we see it's nicely well protected, beautifully made, and we can rotate back and front. We've placed the Oster waffle maker on the countertop and we're ready to make some waffles. Before we do that, we need to plug in the power. So we'll plug in the power cord, and when we plug it in, we see that the power light is lit, and this is the dial to control the color of the waffle that we want to make. You can turn it min or max. There's a little pointer near the lights, and we set it to the max. Alright, when we connect the power to the waffle maker, it's heating up the waffle maker, but we need to wait. And when the ready light is on, we will be ready to start cooking our waffle. So at this time, we're waiting. We've also prepared the waffle mix ahead of time, so whenever this glows green, we're ready to actually, there it is, we're ready to actually start making waffles. Now we're ready to pour the waffle mix in. So we've prepared this ahead of time. We're going to take this measuring cup and pour it down the center. And we have another cup. This is not getting distributed very evenly, so we're going to take a spatula and try to more evenly disperse the waffle mix. And we have some more waffle mix to pour in here, so we'll just do that. Another half a cup. And once we have this all distributed evenly, we will now be ready to rotate it around. We'll close the cover. It locks in. We turn it around. Notice that there are no leaks. And we will wait for the green light to indicate that the waffle is ready. So we'll just wait for it to light up green. And now it's about a minute later, and we're still waiting for the light to light up green. And we hear the sound, and it lights up green. We see a little steam coming out. So it's time to turn the waffle maker over, and we're gonna open up the cover, and a beautifully made waffle. So we're gonna get a plate, get a spatula, and take this waffle out. It's very hot. You do not want to handle these with your hands, and recommend using something that is not abrasive as you remove the waffle from the waffle maker. So we're going to lift this waffle out carefully. Keep in mind, we did not use any spray. We didn't use butter. It's completely based on the ceramic non-stick surface. And we've got the waffle out. I'm going to lay it on the plate here. Tiny piece did fall off as we were working on it. Looks nice and clean. Should still wash it afterwards. We're going to be making more waffles. So this is how the waffle looks like. It's beautiful. Alright, there you have it. The Oster Duraceramic Flip Waffle Maker. We like the fact that this waffle maker is simple to use, following the recipe in the manual. In addition, it did not need sprays, chemicals, or even butter. The ceramic surface did the magic. Make a beautiful waffle in just about a minute's time. And when you're done using it, don't forget to unplug the power cable. Hopefully you've enjoyed this video. If so, please tap the thumbs up. We'll be having more great videos to come. Please subscribe so you don't miss out. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.